Hello everybody. I'm Dr. Premlata Balachandran. I'm an obstetrician at Fortis Mala Hospital, Chennai. It's a small session about vaccination during pregnancy. Why do we need vaccination during pregnancy? Vaccination helps to build up antibodies in the body in a pregnant mother, which protects the mother as well as the baby in the womb, and it gives protection to the newborn child as well. Some vaccination has to be taken before pregnancy, some during pregnancy. Before pregnancy, if you are planning a pregnancy, you can check whether you have got antibodies for rubella. Rubella is an illness we get vaccinated in the childhood, but we can check whether we have got antibodies just before trying for pregnancy. If you don't have antibodies, that can be done with a simple blood test. If you don't have antibodies, better to get vaccinated even before trying for pregnancy. Why? Rubella comes as a flu-like illness during pregnancy. It won't harm the mother, but can cause lot of problems in the baby, many congenital abnormalities. It is easily preventable by a simple vaccine. So check for rubella antibodies. If you don't have antibodies, take rubella vaccination before pregnancy. If you are taking a rubella vaccination before pregnancy, you shouldn't be conceiving at least for a month from the date of vaccination. What are the vaccinations during pregnancy? As we all know, we give 2 doses of tetanus toxoid, that is TT, during pregnancy. The first dose is around the first or second trimester. Now, instead of the second TT injection, we are giving a combination of Tdap, that is tetanus, diphtheria and whooping cough. The purpose of giving a Tdap during pregnancy is we give it little later, between 28 to 36 weeks, so that the protection would be there for the baby after delivery in the initial period after birth. So tetanus toxoid around 20 weeks and Tdap around 28 to 36 weeks. Another vaccine that you can have it in pregnancy is the flu vaccine. We advise pregnant mother to take vaccine, particularly in the flu season, around the September to December, where the influenza is on the rise. And giving a flu vaccine will prevent lot of complications in mother as well as to the baby due to the influenza. The other vaccine is most important one is the COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine can be taken during pregnancy, before pregnancy and even after pregnancy. COVID vaccine is absolutely safe in pregnancy. Now we have started vaccinating all pregnant women all over the world. So far, COVID vaccine hasn't got any problems during pregnancy for the mother as well as the baby. So you can get it done before pregnancy itself, or if you have become pregnant, take it during pregnancy. 2 doses are given, either 2-3 Covishield or Covaxin is available. Both are quite safe in pregnancy. You can take it even during breastfeeding. You can sometimes have fever or body ache after taking the vaccine. You can take paracetamol during that period. For 24 to 48 hours maximum there can be fever or body ache. You can take paracetamol, which is also quite safe in pregnancy. So there are certain vaccines which shouldn't be taken during pregnancies. You can't take these vaccines during this pregnancy. They are live vaccines. For example, the HPV vaccine, you can't take it in pregnancy. The rubella vaccine should be taken only before pregnancy and not during pregnancies. These are live vaccines. Similarly, chickenpox vaccines. So these vaccines can't be taken during pregnancies. So during pregnancy, it's the tetanus, the influenza and the COVID vaccines. So take these vaccines and stay safe.